Finally guys, I'm cooking chicken creamy pasta and it's looking very healthy at the moment, but it will be destroyed by cheese. It's got bacon underneath. It will have cheese, corn, all sorts of things in it. Oh, mushrooms, it's gonna... It's gonna have mushrooms in it as well. Onions too. We got onions, capsicum, corn. Your neighbor, this pasta will be very healthy.
And you love it.
Oh, lovely.
Really
Looks
good mix
good.
around, yeah? Really good mix around. I was like, I've never heard this before. Do you want to take it?
Now we got capsicum, mushrooms, corn, onions, broccoli, and chicken and bacon in there. Everything is in there now.
Ready? Turn it off?
So that is it for now. I'll see you later.